It got you in the knee?
Yeah.
Dad? Oh. He's edging. They call that edging. The yard. Come on back here. Come get in the water. It'll feel better when you get in the water. Come on, baby.
Is Francie crawling her? Go for her.
The grass flew through the fence, and that's what got her. Come get in the yard. Soak it in the water. I mean, come get in the pool.
Don't squirt her in the front. I'm mad at him. Don't squirt her in the front. That's not nice.
You're a good big sister, Violet. Come get in the pool.
1 minute.
Come on.
Who's splashing? Who's splashing?
Papa's edging. Come on. Or weed eating, whatever. Come get in.
Papa's fence. Papa's fence.
Come get in the pool.
Papa's fence.
That's Papa's fence, yeah.
She's good.
You okay, Fence?
She's good. She's good.
No, he's weed eating, and some of the grass flew through the fence and hit her in the leg. You okay, Fence?
I'm still mad at him.
Okay.
Why you do that? Why you do that? He got in a timeout. Yes, he did. I'm mad at him too.
He didn't mean to.
I'm still mad at him. He need doing a timeout. I'm still mad at him too. Yeah, she taped in my way. She taped it in.
Oh, no.
I'm still mad at him. I'm still mad at him too. When you're mad at the guy, you're still mad at him. You're still mad at him. Yeah, I'm still mad at him. So, you're mad at him. Stop doing that. He's mad at you. I'm mad at you. Stop doing that. Take a go for you at it. Here we go, Rabbit. Here we go. Here we go. You hear me? She's taking me in the way. It's not nice. You still mad at him? She's put you in the way? Yeah. You still mad at him? It turned over the fence and stayed me in the way. I upset at him and you mad at him. I upset and I upset and you mad at him. No, I'm upset and I'm mad. And I'm mad at you. You're upset and